Microwave troubles? I need to replace mine because it practically exploded. Well, it just caught on fire. Let's take this one out and install a new one. I'll show you step by step. Let's go. I got a call from one of my rental units that the microwave caught on fire. I asked for the model number and went down to Home Depot and found this GE that was a match in terms of size. And here it is. Before we do anything, one thing you have to make sure of is if the fan is situated correctly. Yes, there is a fan. I'll quickly take this cover off and show you what I mean. There's one cover off, but this one has another. Here's the fan motor. Since this sits over the stove, it has a feature to suck up the heat and blow it out a vent. This unit has 2 screws holding the fan motor in. I'll take these out and show you how easy it is to position the fan depending on your duct or no duct situation. It's blowing towards the front of the unit. It lifts right out, but don't pull too much because there are wires it's connected to. If I had a vent duct on top, I would position the fan this way and all that hot air will blow upward through the vent. Forward, like it will blow to the front of the unit. Here's the microwave. A real nice burn mark with the roof a bit melted. Not good. Let's take this thing out. These hanging microwaves, you'll need access to the top. Got rid of the bottles. First things first, unplug this fire hazard. Microwaves are screwed to the top of the cabinet. This one has 2 screws keeping it in place. Those are coming out. You have to be careful it doesn't come crashing down. I have my hand underneath the unit. Once I do this second bolt, there is nothing holding it up. I'll show you a better angle. Of course, it's easier to have help, but for some reason, when I ask for help, everybody's busy. The microwave has a bracket on the back, so I'm not lifting all of its weight yet. Once I let go, gravity does its job. The unit is a little over 50 pounds. I have to lift up the back a bit to unlatch it from the bracket. Give it a nice firm hug, and it's off. Now, I got really lucky on this one. The old microwave was an LG, and this one is a GE, but the back bracket seems to be exactly the same. Same length, same position of hooks in the back. I'm never this lucky. A closer look seems to be pretty close. This bracket should be anchored to the 2x4s on the back wall. Some people use butterfly anchors, but personally I don't feel good about that. Get the screws in the wood framing. Measuring the width was the biggest thing. For sure, I don't want to have to start cutting cupboards. It's also good to have the same height and depth. All new microwaves come with a template for the back wall bracket and the top for the screws, power cable, and vent cutouts. It's good to measure the center line, which the guy before me already did. Everything looks like it's already aligned. Even the bracket is level. You don't want a crooked microwave. let's check out the top template. I'll tape this to the top. I want to make sure the top screw holes are aligned. Putting the template up will show me if I need to do any drilling for holes. I'm going to poke one of the bolts through to see if they're aligned with the template. You have to be kidding me. This side is aligned. Now let's try the other side. Lightning strikes twice. I really need to play the lottery. Not a big deal. If they weren't, I would just drill a hole through the top. I don't want to press my luck, so I'll use the screws that came with the new microwave and use these washers from the old screws to make sure they don't fall through the holes. It should make things stronger for holding the unit up. Time to get the new microwave up on the back bracket. Doing this alone, I can't see if it's on, but I'll get there. A little bit of adjustments and the microwave is hooked onto the back. First thing to do once it's secure on the bracket is to put the power cord through. This hole doesn't align, but no big deal because there's a space between the cabinet and the microwave. The person before put in some spacers so the microwave won't sink upward into the top. I fed one screw through the top to secure the unit. And tighten up the second. Plug it in, giving it power, and it's done. I did get lucky not having to drill holes. The template is a good guide if you need it or not. Oh, take the paper off. And put the cooking tray in. Put the stove screens on. Test the top fan, which will bring air in from the stove. This is a do-it-yourself project. I hope this helps, and let me know by giving me a thumbs up and subscribe.